take a look at this multiple choice question from farhatlectures.com. A company purchases insurance to protect against losses from a factory fire. Which risk response is being used? As I told you in the lecture, as soon as you hear insurance, you're buying insurance. Insurance is a form of risk management, and specifically, you are transferring the risk. It's not risk avoidance. Risk avoidance when you avoid that risk altogether. This is not what we are doing here. We want to keep the factory, but we want to protect the factory from a fire. Therefore, we're not doing risk avoidance. That's out. Risk exploitation is when you exploit risk to pursue an opportunity. This is not what we are doing. Risk identification, this is the first step in the management of risk and the process of risk management. That's not the case. When we buy insurance, 99.99% of the time, the purpose is risk transfer. You're transferring the loss to someone else. Obviously, you have to pay a premium, but you would still think paying for that, the cost-benefit analysis is worth it. And this is why you are buying insurance to protect the factory. What should you do now? Whether you are a CMA exam candidate, CPA, accounting, finance student, go to Farhat Lectures, look at additional resources, multiple choice, simulation, cases, exercises, true, false, AI, for example, it will allow you to explain the topic, explain correct and incorrect answer, create a new similar MCQ to what you are working with. The best investment you can make is invest in yourself, and God bless.
Want to see more CPA exam multiple choice questions solved step by step? At farhatlectures.com, you will get hundreds of video solved MCQs step by step, including previously released AI CPA questions, previously released AI CPA simulation, in-depth lectures and resources to prepare for the CPA exam, AI tools that's going to help you study smarter, not harder, CPA exam podcast lessons where you can learn on the go. And also you will get the personal guidance of support of Farhat and his team. If you are serious about passing the CPA exam, this is your next step. Visit the website farhatlectures.com, start your free trial, and I hope to see you on the website.